You can create preferred layouts for your quotes and orders. Hover on the pair of glasses to see your saved layouts. The highlighted one is the one that's currently selected. Click to select the one that I've called Weights to see the layout where I've added that column. To modify the layout, hover on the glasses, click Columns. Select from the list or search for one and drag it across to the quote. To remove a column, click Columns and drag it here. Notice here a little egg timer appear and quickly disappear. This means that the changes we just made have been saved to this layout. If you leave the layout before that egg timer appears, it won't be saved. To clone a layout, click the glasses, clone one, perhaps give it a name such as the column that you're adding to the layout. And select it to modify the clone. Now we have 3 saved layouts. To delete a layout, click the glasses and delete a layout that is not currently selected. If you want to delete the layout that's currently selected, you have to select a different one and then delete that one. You can have several layouts. The layout you save for a cart can be different to the layout when it's converted to a quote. Or you can have a layout for your list of quotes and orders. So if you think you saved a layout but it isn't what you expect, you may be looking at your saved quote layout as compared to your cart one.